Hello everyone, my name is Mayur Sutar and welcome to my YouTube channel Anybody Can Code. Let's continue with the series of Python. Today in this tutorial, we will move ahead with some operator that we haven't seen earlier. Let's open PyCharm application and see how the operators perform in the Python. Here is my PyCharm application and I have written already some code, so I won't miss anything. In the last video, we have seen some arithmetic operator already, and the assignment operator assign a variable. Operator number one, we are moving to the assignment operator. So what is the assignment operator? Assignment operator that allow us to assign a value to the variable. Let's say we are going to create one variable x, and we want to assign the value to the x variable is 60. So that's why we are going to use the assignment operator, which is equal to. Now let's print it out and see how it's working. That we have seen earlier, but let's try it again. I'm going to run my script here, and here I got the value is 60. That means we can use the equal to as an assignment operator. We there is one more thing we haven't seen earlier, that is we can assign multiple variable in one line by using a comma. Here it is. I want to assign a comma b, that means two variable, and I want to use the assignment operator and assign the different value to the a and b, which are 10 for the a and 3 for the b. And let's print it out and see whether it's working or not. Here it is. I received my value of a is equal to 10 and value of b is equal to 3. That means it is working. We can assign multiple variable into the one line. That's great. Arithmetic operator that we have seen earlier. So I'm using the same variable a and b. A is equal to 10 and b is equal to 3. So here we can use the plus operator to addition, minus for subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, and floor division. Let's run the script and see the outcome. Here it is. The addition is a 13, subtraction is a 7, multiplication is 30, division is a 3.333, modulus is a 1, exponential is a 1000, and last floor division is a 3. Now, one more thing I want to show you here, it is if I want to increment the value of a and store into the a, because I want to see the what is the result. So here is my code where a is equal to a plus b. Here instead of b I can use any value, but let's keep it a and check it. So here my answer would be 13, right? Because 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. That's great. But in another way, there is one shortcut in the Python we have that we can use. Here it is. I don't need to put the a is equal to a plus b. Instead of, I can use the a plus equal to b, and here I will receive the same answer. It's not the same because here the value already incremented already. Let's comment it out and check it again. Here the answer is 13. That means this is the shortcut to increment the value of variable itself, or value of the value that we want to increment itself. That's great. So I'm going to comment it out. Let's move to the relational operator. So what are relational operator? Relational operator that are going to check the relation between the values that we want to check. So here I'm going to assign two variable a and b. A is equal to 10, b is equal to 5. Number one relational variable is equal to. So equal to, we know everybody, we whenever we want to compare two values, then we are going to use the equal to operator. But in the Python, equal to operator is not only the single equal to sign, because it is going to use for assignment operator in the variable. That's why we are going to use the equal to sign double time. And here the answer is, here I want to check whether a is equal to b or not, and I will receive the answer is false. Yeah, that is correct, because a is not equal to b. But here instead of b, I'm going to put it put the value is 10 and check it again. And here I got the answer is true. That is correct. A is equal to 10 and 10 is equal to 10 is equal to true. That's great. Another greater than. Greater than also going to greater than operator, which is the same we have learned in the schools. So we are going to see whether A value is greater than B or not. That's let's check the check Python. Let's check the Python is working or not. Yes, it is working. A is equal to greater than B. That means 10 is equal to greater than 5. That is correct. That Python is working. Another is a greater than or equal to. Let's the same mathematical operation we have learned in the school. Here we want to check that A is greater than B or A is equal to B. So in the case here our A is a 10, B is a 5. That is all. A is a greater than B already. But here I want to write is a 10 itself and check it out. And let's check the answer. Here the answer is true. That means A is greater than 10 and A is equal to 10. But here if I'm going to write is 11, then let's see the answer. It is false because our condition is false, right? A is not greater than 11 and A is not equal to 11. That is, both conditions are false. That's why we receive the answer is false. The same way we can check the less than as well. Whether A is a less than B or not. That is false. A is equal to 10, which is and B is equal to 5. That means A is not less than B. That is correct. The same way we can check less than equal to. The answer is a false. A value is a 10, B value is a 5. So A is not less than B and not equal to B as well. Okay, that's correct. There is a one more operator is a not equal to. Not equal to, that we are going to use the exclamation mark, and here we are going to see the answer A. We want to see whether A is not equal to B or not. Let's run it out and check the answer. It is true. A is not equal to B. That is correct. But what if we are going to keep it the same? A is equal to 10 and see it again. It is false. That means A is not equal to 10. A is not equal to B. That is true. Correct. Now let's move to the logical operator. Logical operator, there are three logical operator: and, or, and not. So here I'm going to assign two variables first that we are going to use. Now I want to check multiple condition in one code. First, let's say I want to check only one condition: A is equal to greater than B or not. That is the single condition I can check, right? Here my answer is true. But I want to check the multiple condition in one line. And I want to check the multiple condition whether A is greater than B and B is greater than A or not. Then what the answer? Answer is a false, because my first condition A is greater than B, that is true, but B is greater than A, that is false. That's why I'm receiving is false. Another operator, that is OR operator, that we can see here. So OR operator is going to check whether first condition is true or second condition is true. Whichever condition is true, we will receive the answer is true. Let's check it out. Here our answer is true. So A is greater than B, that is our condition is true. But our second condition is false. But our first condition is true, that's why we receive is true. That is working. One more operator is a not. So here I'm going to assign the value of A variable, it is true, and I'm going to print it out. Then I will receive the answer is true, right? But not is going to just reverse the value of the variable or value itself. And here I'm using the operator is a not and put the value is A, then I will receive the answer is a false. So in this tutorial, we have seen assignment operator, arithmetic operator, relational operator, and the last is a logical operator. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.